Welcome everybody. I just wanted to get on here and talk about the baby story time kits to go that I will be creating in limited supply for the summer reading program for the babies. So it will come with a kit of instructions with the songs and some finger plays, and some on the back side will have some information about joining our story time for baby reading program, and also the 1,000 books before kindergarten. I will be pushing that always. So any questions about that, please don't be afraid to give me a shout out or contact me for more information. Okay? All right, hope you will enjoy the videos and the songs for instructions. So the first one we will do is the welcome song. Here we go. Good morning, how are you? How are you? Very well, I thank you, very well, I thank you. How about you? How about you? Good job. En español. Buenos días, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien, gracias, muy bien, gracias. ¿Y usted? ¿Y usted? Good job. A bouncing we will go. A bouncing we will go. A bouncing we will go. Hi-ho the dairy-o, a bouncing we will go. A rocking we will go. A rocking we will go. Hi-ho the dairy-o, a rocking we will go. A clapping we will go. A clapping we will go. Hi-ho the dairy-o, a clapping we will go. A tickling we will go. A tickling we will go. Hi-ho the dairy-o, a tickling we will go. Big A, little a. Big A, little a, bouncing bee. Baby is hiding and can't find me. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. This is big, big, big. This is big, big, big. This is small, small, small. This is short, short, short. This is tall, tall, tall. This is yes, yes, yes. This is no, no, no. This is fast, fast, fast. This is slow, slow, slow. Good job. Eyes, nose, cheeky, cheeky, chin. 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 Cheeky, cheeky, chin, nose, eyes. Hand washing song. Tops and bottoms, in between. In between, scrub them all together, scrub them all together. Now we're clean, squeaky clean. Popcorn kernels. Popcorn kernels, in the pot. In the pot, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, till they pop, till they pop.